What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by watching videos with YouTube. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, before I get into this method, please guys, look out for the code word that's going to pop up somewhere in this video. Because once I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody, 2 people, matter of fact, that has the code word in all my videos, and those 2 people are going to win the free money. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. And I would like to say thank you again, guys, for getting me to 4,800 and something. I don't know where I'm at right now, but I'm getting close to 5,000. And I just want to say thank you guys for your support, because I know you guys been sharing this, and let's get there, guys. All right, now please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be several steps you're going to have to take. Not that many, but it's, more than a couple the steps you're going to have to take to be able to make this money watching these videos. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on YouTube, and I went ahead and typed in Minecraft videos. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to use these Minecraft videos to make money. And you're not going to have to watch the videos. You're going to have other people watching the videos. People that love Minecraft is going to watch these videos, and you're going to make money from that. So as you can see, these videos are very, very popular. 2.1 million views in 3 weeks. And it says here, this Minecraft video will satisfy your brain. So these are people probably just playing Minecraft and they just looking at it. And here's another one, 2.1 million views in 6 months. Very lucky Minecraft moments in 1 video. And check this out, guys. It's really going to blow your mind. As you can see here, as Mr. Beast is very popular YouTube. He plays Minecraft too. Got 5.9 million watch him play. Check out this. This right here, this Minecraft video got 91 million views in 1 year. Wow. So what you're going to do is pick any one of these videos that you want. Click on here. We're going to click on share. Guess my internet is running kind of slow. Here we go. And you're going to click on copy. So we copy that link. And what we're going to do is go to this other website where you're going to make the money from people checking out this video. So let's go to that website right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Adfly. Now, what you're going to do, once you come here, of course you got to make an account. You're going to put your link that you got from YouTube in here, and it's going to shrink it. So you see it shrinks right there. Copy the new link because it's going to have a code in there, basically your code. And we're going to go to another website where people are going to click on this link and you're going to make money. Now, we're going to scroll down here and look at the pay rates. So here you're going to click on payout rates. And as you can see here, the average CPM for 8 December 2020. So the CPM changes every day. It could be higher, it can go lower, or it can just stay the same. So they have two different ways of making money on here, depending on the CPM. So you got unique equals average amount paid for 1,000 visitors in a 24-hour period. Then you got raw equals average amount paid on the first advert view for 1,000 link views in 24 hours. So the highest CPM is with United States. And as you can see here, $138.54. So guys, if you get 1,000 people to click on the link, you're going to make that amount of money. And now if you're in Canada, it's $39.88. United Kingdom is $40.54. Australia is $9.77. And as you can see, this is available worldwide. Look at all these countries. So really, guys, it doesn't matter where you are living. You can do this method and make money from this website. So now the next thing I'm going to do is show you where you can go to get a lot of clicks, where people love Minecraft at this website. So I'm going to take you over there right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the Minecraft website, which is Minecraft Forum. So once you come here, you're going to sign up and you're going to pick a topic. You can pick any topic. Okay, guys, so I clicked on Forum. Now it took me here. So it's going to show you all the topics and discussions, what people are talking about. And all you need to do is pick any one of them. And you want to pick the one with the most posts and with the most threads. Let's get rid of this. So as you can see over here, 138,363 posts, 9,000 threads. Here's one, 90,000 threads, 825,000 posts. So you want to pick one of these, or here's one, 956 or 963, any one of these. Pick any one of these, go in there, start a discussion about Minecraft. Just say, oh, I love it, I love it. I check out these videos all the time. They show some good videos of Minecraft, and you just put the link in there. And all these people that's in there that's checking it out, that's having discussion about Minecraft, they're going to click on your link and they're going to check out that YouTube video. And guys, the money is going to come in. You're going to get over $100 and something every time for 1,000 clicks on that link. So guys, this is the method. I know it's some steps you got to take, but if I went too fast, just look at this video again, go step by step, and it's going to show you everything you need to do to start making this money with YouTube videos. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. Just 50 likes, that's all I ask. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Look out for that code word that popped up somewhere in this video, so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And guys, we're almost there. We're almost there. Let's keep sharing this video. People that are new, please subscribe. Doesn't take but a second to hit that subscribe button. And let's get it. Road to 5,000 subscribers. All right, guys. That's it. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and have a prosperous day.